everybody. So today we will be learning how to make this king cobra from a normal snake cube. All you have to do is a few basic twists and turns here and there and you'll make it. Also, this is the king of the snake cube. So you gotta make it. And there is a bonus waiting at the end of the video for you. So stay tuned. Let's begin. Start by disassembling the snake cube into a long line like this. And now we have to find the blue piece on the left hand side like this. So this is the blue piece that is ramping up like this. So keep it on the left hand side facing up. From here we need to count 2. 1, 2. And we'll turn the white piece right here one time. So like this. From here you need to flip the snake cube over like this. And again count 2. 1, 2. And we'll turn the white piece right here one time. So like this. From here you need to again count 2. 1, 2. And we'll turn the white piece right here one time. So like this. From here we need to count 2. 1, 2. And we'll turn the blue piece right here 2 times. So like this. We'll do that once more. From here you need to hold the snake cube like this. And this time we need to count 3. 1, 2, 3. And we'll turn the blue piece right here one time. So like this. Now from here we need to count 2. 1, 2. And we'll turn the white piece right here one time. So there is a really cool life hack for you. Just hold this long line right here and try to turn this white piece like this. If you have made it this far in the video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe as well if you're new or you still haven't subscribed, so that you don't miss any more awesome content like this and be able to make the king of the snake cube. Let's continue. From here we need to count 1. 1. Okay, this white piece right here. So we'll turn this white piece right here 2 times. So like this. We'll do that once more. From here we need to count 2. 2. Yup. 1, 2. And we'll turn the blue piece right here one time. So just hold your snake cube horizontally like this and count 2. 1, 2. And we'll turn the blue piece right here one time like this. Now see carefully. You need to flip the snake cube over like this and now count 2. 1, 2. And we'll turn the white piece right here one time. So just hold the white piece right here and turn it like this. From here you need to see that this white piece is next to this blue square, and we'll turn the white piece right here like this. So just hold this square, this blue square, and turn this white piece like this. Now we have made this much of the snake cube. From here we need to do some few basic turns and we'll make our king cobra. But before we go any further, if you still haven't smashed that like button, what are you doing? Just smash that like button right now and subscribe as well. Don't you want to see more videos? Subscribe now. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Have you subscribed? Okay, let's continue. From here we need to count 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the blue piece right here. and this piece will turn 2 times. So hold this blue piece right here and we'll turn it 2 times. We'll do that once more. Now your snake cube is looking like this. Wait. There is one final step remaining. And before we do that, I would ask you to kindly smash that like button if you still haven't done that, and subscribe as well so that we can make this King Cobra right now. Have you subscribed? Okay, let's continue. So you see this white piece kinda sticking out. We'll turn this white piece right here 2 times and complete our King Cobra. So just turn the white piece right here like this. Once and twice. Now as you can see, we have made our King Cobra. If you have made this King Cobra and you have liked this video as well, tell me down in the comments below and I will give a comment a heart. Saying that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.